Hey there, architects and design enthusiasts. Welcome back to CivilMix. Today, I've got something really cool for you, a simple 5BHK Revit house design that's super beginner-friendly. You can download it right now on our Patreon page. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, share this video with your fellow designers, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Now, let's talk about this design. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it's designed to be easy peasy for anyone just starting out. We've kept it stylish but straightforward. Plus, it comes with all the sheets you need: floor plans, elevations, sections, foundation details, and 3D views. But wait, there's more. We've included view templates to make your life even easier. Whether you're working on floor plans, elevations, or 3D views, we've got your back. Let's make your design journey smooth and enjoyable. Now, if you're excited about this beginner-friendly 5BHK Revit house design and want to get your hands on it, head over to our Patreon page. The link is in the description below. There, you'll find exclusive access to over 10 GB of Revit models and families, including this simple yet elegant 5BHK house design. And remember, if you're loving what you see and want more awesome content, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us creating fantastic resources for you. Thank you for being part of the CivilMix community. We can't wait to see the fantastic designs you create with our beginner-friendly 5BHK Revit house model. Until next time, happy designing.